Benefits of carrots. Carrots are good for the eyes because they contain carotenoids and vitamin A. Carrots are loaded with several nutrients that benefits your health. Carrots are packed with vitamin C and antioxidants help to strengthen the immune system. This juice is rich in beta carotene and vitamin A, providing a healthy and glowing skin. Improves kidney function. Carrot juice is rich in vitamin and minerals that boost your energy level. This healthy juice contains soluble fiber that aids digestion and promotes a healthy gut. Potassium and antioxidants present in carrots improve cardiovascular health and lower blood pressure.